Hello class 9. Today I am going to start this new chapter number 15, hygiene, key to healthy life. As you know, simple personal hygiene. Now first include in hygiene, that is health. That is health. First thing include in hygiene, that is health. Health is a state condition of the body of a person who depicts the portrays physical, mental, social and emotional fitness. Okay, what is health? Health is the state or condition of the body of the person who depicts physical, mental and social and emotional fitness. If you are healthy, not means ki you are mentally fit. Okay, you are emotionally fit. Means healthy means here person who depicts physical, mental, social and emotional fitness. Okay. Now next one, hygiene. What is hygiene? Okay. Hygiene is defined as a science and practice of maintaining good health. It is a science and practice of maintaining good health. It requires caring of one's own body. That is personal hygiene. That is पर्सनल हाइजीन. अगर हम अपनी बॉडी का ही केयर करते हैं, दैट इज पर्सनल हाइजीन. एंड प्रॉपर केयर ऑफ द सराउंडिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड सोशल हाइजीन. दैट इज कॉल्ड सोशल हाइजीन. मीन्स इट डिपेंड्स पर्सन टू पर्सन कि पर्सन is either personal hygienic or social hygienic. When if caring, it requires caring of the one's own body. अगर आप अपनी खुद की बॉडी की केयर कर रहे हैं, that is personal hygiene. And taking the proper care of surrounding, that is social hygiene. The major aspects of the personal hygiene are as follows. Okay, personal hygiene. Personal hygiene, first one is cleanliness. Cleanliness. Second, rest and sleep. Rest and sleep. Third one, physical exercise. Physical exercise. And fourth one, healthy habits. Healthy habits. Okay, personal hygiene. Major aspects of personal hygiene are cleanliness, rest and sleep, physical exercise and healthy habits. Now cleanliness. Cleanliness, personal cleanliness is most essential. First include in it, that is hand and skin. Hand and skin. Okay, in and undergarments and handkerchief must be washed. Hair, breathe by nose, eyes, ears also include in this cleanliness. ठीक है. Hand and skin must be cleaned regularly. We are continually handling a variety of things: furniture, book, coins, currency notes, seats, and supporting rods in buses, pets and other domestic animals, tool and machinery in workshop, and so on. All these objects may carry germs which may be picked up by our fingers and transfer over other parts of the body or into the mouth through food. The practice of washing hand and soap after using toilet is very important. Daily bath keeps regularly the skin clean and free from germs. Undergarments and handkerchief must be washed daily. And hair should be kept clean by frequent washing and regular combing. And teeth should be cleaned at least twice a day before going to bed at night and after getting up in the morning. Mouth should be washed after every meal. Too much eating of sweets and chocolate spoil the teeth, causing caries and gum infection. Breathe by nose. One must always breathe by nose and never by the mouth. One should blow the nose into a handkerchief and should hold the handkerchief in front of the mouth and nose while sneezing. Okay. And eyes. Eyes is the main part of the body. Iris must be clean and washed with clear water 2 or 3 times every day. Trachoma and conjunctivitis, two diseases हैं in your syllabus, that is ट्रैकोमा और जब कंजक्टिवा में इन्फेक्शन होता है दैट इज कंजक्टिवाइटिस. Conjunctivitis, okay, conjunctivitis, when infection occur in conjunctiva, that is conjunctivitis. And trachoma, it is caused due to the dust and through contamination of the hand and towels for preventing eye infection. Okay, ear should be keep clean. The wax inside may be cleaned by a soft moist swab. Now second one is physical exercise. Okay, rest and sleep is second one, is now take proper rest and sleep. Okay, now third one, physical exercise. And physical exercise is necessary for all age groups, especially children, adolescent and young people. Long gentle walks are enough for the old. Physical exercise should be systematic and regular. It improves blood circulation. And rest and sleep, all organs of the body including the brain, mind need rest. In general, the today bodies obtain adequate rest by means of sleep. The amount of sleep required varies with age. The very young infants sleep for most of the day. For adults, 6 to 7 hours continuous undisturbed sleep is sufficient. Now next one, healthy habits. One should develop good healthy habits such as going to bed at night at regular time, taking food at regular hours. In general, going to bed at late hours or immediately after taking dinner are not good habits. Bowels should be cleared every day, preferably in the morning. Tobacco should be avoided. It is injurious to health and may even lead to cancer. Taking stimulants and sedatives are unnecessary and spoil habits. Drinking alcoholic beverages is definitely harmful to one's own body as well as to society. The living room should be well ventilated for fresh air and sunlight. And fresh air bring oxygen and sunlight kills germs. Okay, now next one, social hygiene. Okay, now next one, social hygiene. In social hygiene includes all the public places such as school, offices and building, bathrooms, lavatories, cinema halls, etc. should be kept clean. The eating place should be hotel, restaurant, roadside dhabas and other surrounding must be kept clean and free of flies. All eatables must be covered. All utensils, cups, glass, tumblers and spoons must be thoroughly washed, preferably with soap and hand and hot water. The civic bodies, municipalities including in it, must ensure the supply of clean, germ-free drinking water and an efficient sewage disposal. Now, control of disease carriers. Now, what are carriers here? Carriers are basically vectors. ठीक है, vectors क्या होते हैं? जो disease carrying germs को सिर्फ carry करके लेके जाते हैं. Disease carrying agents. Okay, and vectors include housefly and mosquito. Housefly and mosquito include in it. Okay, and first, vector is an agent that acts as an intermediate carrier of the pathogen. Vector is an agent or carrier of pathogen. Agent or carrier of pathogen. Okay, now many insect and other animals spread diseases. Steps should be taken to control or to eradicate them. Control of houseflies, mosquito and cockroaches should be given maximum priority. These three are considered to worst public enemies: housefly, mosquito and cockroaches. Okay, housefly, as you know, natural scavengers, cleaning and consuming the leftover of the food.